Okay. Chapter 3, Section 2, figure 6, plant cells and animal cells. Plant and animal cells, these illustrations show typical structures found in plant and animal cells. Comparing and contrasting means telling which ways they are the same and which ways they are different. Identify that one structure found in plant cells but not in animal cells. So the structures of a plant cell are, going from the outside in, the cell wall. In a plant cell, a stiff cell wall surrounds the membrane, giving the cell a rigid box-like shape. Cell membrane. The cell membrane protects the cell and regulates what substances enter and leave the cell. And following the order that we had in the text, we have the nucleus. The nucleus directs all the cell's activities, including reproduction. And we have the nuclear wall, or nuclear membrane, then the nucleolus, and outside we have cytoplasm, which is the gel-like substance in which the organelles float. We have the end surrounding the nucleus. We have the endoplasmic reticulum. This network of passageways carries materials from one part of the cell to another. And attached to the endoplasmic reticulum and floating throughout are ribosomes, little dots, and the Golgi body, which was mentioned in the text, and mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of the cell, and vacuole. So most mature cell plants have one large vacuole. This sac within cytoplasm stores water, food wastes, products, and other materials. Now onto an animal cell, following the same order. There's no cell wall. There's a cell membrane. The cell membrane protects the cell and regulates what substances enter and leave the cell. And following the same order, we have the nucleus. The nucleus directs all the cell's activities, including reproduction, with the membrane for the cell, and the nuclear membrane, nuclear wall. And we have the nucleolus inside the nucleus. Then the nucleus is surrounded by the endoplasmic reticulum. Then we have the ribosomes. These small structures function as factories to produce proteins. Ribosomes may be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, or they may float in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm includes the gel-like fluid in which many different organelles are found. Then we have the mitochondria. Most of the cell's energy is produced within these rod-shaped organelles. The Golgi body. The Golgi body receives materials from the endoplasmic reticulum and sends them to other parts of the cell. They also release materials outside the cell. Vacuole. Some animal cells have vacuoles that store food, waste, water, and other materials, much smaller. Then there's lysosomes. These small organelles contain chemicals that break down food particles and worn out cell parts. Again, identify one structure found in plant cells, but not in animal cells.